Hello everyone, I'm Slow. Last time in my video, I introduced a small robot. This one, do you remember it? And today, I take his big brother, elder brother here. This one, dun, dun, dun. It's from same company, and it's he also called Pudding. Okay, first you can see there is a camera in the front, and there is a sensor. Okay, it's not so obviously, and two microphones inside on the top, and then there is the light circle beside. Okay, and two speakers on the bottom. Okay, also there is a gear or a servo, so he can turn around like this. And on the back there is a SD card place. You can put SD card here, and this is the resetting hole, and this is the charge connector. You can charge it here or charge it from the bottom. This is the coil for wireless charging. Normally for the wireless charging, you put this robot on this charge board. See, there is also a coil inside. The back is like this. This is the charger line. Okay, and this is the power button. Okay, now I open it, turn on it. When we are waiting for open, we also open the apps for this robot. It's very cute. Okay, now I ask him to connect the Wi-Fi. Pudding,
我在呢。
联网. You say, hey, show me how to connect the. Just ask him, and then I connecting. Okay, now the internet connector, and this is its app. There are two sensors. One is on the top, one is on the screen. Now I touch him, then he will show the reflecting. See? See his eyes? It's like this. His eyes here. Okay, and then I touch his face.
爱是一种粉学。
Very cute one. Oh, this one normally is his price. Its price is let me think, nearly about 200 American dollars. This price is a very good price at this level robot, because this robot's level is very good, not bad. And you see he has the sensors, and also his speech interactive systems has the voice location. I show you how it works. Normally other robots, when you call him, he only turn around following the voice. When he is here, but your voice is back, he won't turn up, but this robot can because his speech interactive systems is better. He has this intelligent function. Pudding Pudding. See, because my voice is on his back, so he will just turn around and in front of me. This is 深源定位 in natural language processing technology. And because he has a big screen, so actually he has many functions based on this display screen. I'll show you. This is watching some cartoons. You can see. 新的一天，太阳和你问好，快快乐乐一起。看动画，百宝箱，照相机，some useful 存图卡，蒙相册 ，like a camera， 照相机。Okay, I can click the camera, ask him to take a photo. I also can just speech like this. 布丁布丁，给我拍张照。谁 I ask him take a photo. 拍照。Okay, he take a photo and the picture is here. And now, because I setting the app's name is grandma. So if I ask Pudding to call grandma, then he will call. Say, Pudding Pudding.
Hello.
打电话给奶奶。Say he is calling, and then you will see the calling on this app. It didn't out now. Here, have some this. Now Pudding is here, and I show you the monitor function. Because two devices, if too closed, then it will have some sharp voice. Now I click this and go out. See, this is how the monitor showing on the Pudding, and then if I put this, then Pudding will show you how it looks like. See, and even Pudding can see me if I go back. Here I am. There are also some acting on this app. You can ask him to resting. You can remote it if you are outside. And
新年到，新年到，祝您开开心心，喜气洋洋。
Happy New Year emoji.
祝您欢欢喜喜迎新年，梦想成真顺新年。晚安。
Good night. This means give you
给你一个小花花。
Happy birthday.
生日快乐。
Love you.
爱你哟。
And give you candy. And a kiss.
么么哒。哇。
Okay. And
今天天气不错
You can-，
宝宝去室外晒晒太阳
You
吧。
can knock it here, then you can't use it anymore. You say it shows you are not the adults, and adults liked this robot, so you can't use it now. It shows this. Okay, so I have to unlock it here. Today is my introduce about this beans robot. Looks like a big beans. And subscribe me, and thank you for watching my videos. See you. Bye bye. Turn off. Bye bye.